This is our new Wi-Fi Villa kit. The kit adopts exquisite color packaging with home style, and on the packaging there are product appearance, functional highlights, application scenarios, and other introductions. The kit contains all the equipment, power supply, and all accessories. You can see that on the outdoor station there has a new appearance, and the indoor monitor has a 7-inch high-resolution screen which makes it more home style. The whole system uses Wi-Fi connection, only need to supply power to the products and saving wiring costs.
Calling now. Please wait a moment. The door is unlocked. The line is busy now.
That's all for the Wi-Fi kit.